Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. The Emperor. Six of Cups. So Sagittarius people, this is your current energy, the Emperor, and this is your partner's current energy, Six of Cups. So if I talk about your current energy, so it seems like you are being somebody, or you're projecting yourself as a king. Okay, you have your own foundations, you have your own limits, you cannot cross that limits. Okay, you are being a provider, you are being a protector, you are being the master of this relationship, but somewhere somehow you have your own limitations, you have your own foundations which you cannot cross. Being a king, certain things are there for you which you cannot accept. So if I talk about from your relationship things, it seems like your person is offering you something which you are not able to accept it. Okay, so this is the reason you are being very stern, very upfront, okay, and very strict about it. Perhaps you are saying to them that why are you offering this thing to me, I do not deserve this, something like that. So something which they are offering you is not as per your capabilities, not as per your standards. Okay, on the other hand we have Six of Cups. So this is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is offering you something, or it could also happen that your person is trying to meet you, because this is something I can see a reunion between you and them. This could be something like a meeting sort of thing, and I can see that this person is coming towards you to meet you. It seems like your person is, even though your person is coming to meet you, but they are coming empty hands. If you can see this lady, they are coming into your life to take something out of you, to take something from you. Okay, this is your person. If they are coming towards you, they should have given you something to you. Okay, but they are coming empty hands. They have nothing to give you. They are just coming to meet you, or perhaps to take some energies from you, or perhaps to take something from you. Because if you can see this girl is offering this cup to this lady. It means you are going to give something to them, or your person your person wants to take something from you. I don't know what. All right, now let's check the current mutual energy between Sagittarius and their person. The current situation or current mutual energy between Sagittarius and their person is turning in. Sagittarius people, it seems like it's you, because the qualities which you have of an emperor. Okay, you project yourself as a king. So this is the reason you are right now not listening to any kind of nonsense in your life. Perhaps people around you must be saying some negative words to you, or some negative words about your partner, or something negative. Or perhaps it's your person here who is talking meaningless things, or some kind of a rubbish thing to you. So at this point of time you are not listening to anyone, not even your person. Okay, you are just completely into a meditation position. You are just listening to everyone, but you are not responding. All right, now let's see, Sagittarius people, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Okay, the Creator, the Integration, and the Inner Voice. All right, So with this card, the Creator, Sagittarius people, your person sees you as somebody who is a blessing to them. Okay, they consider you, or they see you as someone who has been gifted by God to them. Okay, and perhaps since you are projecting yourself as a king, so somewhere somehow they are also treating you as a king. Okay, they are giving you your enough, they are giving you the respect which you deserve in this relationship. And apart from that, it also seems like your person sees you that you are someone who leads this relationship. Okay, or they see you as somebody who has the potential, who has the power, who has the abilities to lead this relationship and to make this relationship a happy relationship. All right, the current action from their side towards you is integration. Perhaps they are trying to, it could also happen that this person is coming towards you to talk about some good things. Perhaps this person has been through some difficult time in life and now they have nothing to give you, but they are coming to meet you just to exchange the emotions. It could also happen. So this integration card tells me that your person is understanding the meaning between, or the understanding the basic essence whenever you guys are together. Okay, so somewhere somehow they have understood this concept, somewhere somehow they have understood this relationship, that okay, this relationship is something which God has given to me. Okay, and Sagittarius is the only person for me who is meant to me, who is meant for me. Okay, and Sagittarius has all the capabilities, who can run this relationship and who can nurture this relationship. All right, so at this point of time, if I talk about from actions thing, so they have started thinking about you, they have started understanding the basic essence of this relationship. All right, the future action towards, from their side towards you, is the inner voice. It seems like your person is going to listen to their inner voice in future. Okay, and with these two dolphins, I'm seeing that they are going to get some downloads from universe, that don't run here and there. Your person is the Sagittarius only. Okay, so it's better to stick with this person only, do not go here and there. So this could be a future message for them from universe, and accordingly they will act. Okay, they will listen to their inner voice and they will act accordingly. All right, so Sagittarius people, it seems like some of you could be dealing with another Aries, some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so Aries people, that was your sorry I'm really sorry. So Sagittarius people, this is your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.